What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 8 types of products that you should avoid selling as an Amazon FBA seller. Alright guys, welcome. So the first type of product to not get into are dangerous products. Something like knives, box cutters, something that goes in a baby's mouth that he could potentially choke on. These are products that would require an expensive product liability insurance plan, and I do not recommend getting into this type of product as your first product. Number 2 are patented products. If you don't know what patents are, please look it up on Google, but brief example of what a patent is the technology behind the iPhone. A great way to find out if your product is patented or not, just go to googlepatents.com and you just simply search the name of your product, and if something comes up, then I recommend you stay away from that, because you do run the chance of getting sued and have your Seller Central account be suspended. The third type of product that I don't recommend getting into are trademark products. Now, a trademark is different from a patent. A trademark, for example, is if you're selling a product with the name Nike on it or the Nike check. That's a trademark name and a trademark logo. A great way to look for trademark names to see if the name you're using or the logo you're using on your product is trademarked. Simply just go to just Google USPTO trademark search, and then you scroll down and click on search trademark, and then you type in the name that you're planning on using to put on your product to see if this name is trademarked. Make sure you do this due diligence, because if you don't, then you also run the chance of getting sued, and you run the chance of having your account suspended, which will be a good no-no. The fourth type of product that I recommend to not get into is clothing, because clothing requires a lot of different sizes to purchase up front. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, you're gonna have to buy a small size, medium size, large size, extra large size, and a double XL size. That already is 5 SKUs, which will be a high cost. If you're gonna get into clothing, maybe sell like a one-size-fits-all type of item, like a beanie. The number 5, do not sell product is toys. Why? Because these are fads. They're hot one day and then the other. Great example of this are the fidget spinners. This was the fidget spinner craze. Everybody was buying fidget spinners, so sellers went and bought a huge amount of inventory, and then they got into Amazon, and then nobody stopped. And then a lot of people stopped buying the fidget spinners because the fad ran out. It was not popular anymore. So then you were stuck with all this inventory, and then it's just a race to the bottom, selling at the cheapest just to get rid of inventory. So definitely do not get into toys. The same thing is gonna happen with the squishies. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it on Amazon, or the LOL surprise toys. So stay away from these guys. The number 6, magnet products. They have a lot of shipping restrictions on Amazon, and they have a size restriction as well. If a magnet is too small, then Amazon won't let you sell it. So please, I have attached the link here to the article on Amazon restrictions. If you are planning on selling magnets, I don't recommend it. They also have a lot of shipping restrictions. The number 7 type of product that I recommend you don't get into are breakable products. No glass, no ceramics, no complicated technology with fragile parts. The reason why these products can break on the way to your customers, and when they arrive, the pieces are everywhere, and they leave a bad review, or you get a lot of refunds, which it definitely does not look good. But if you are gonna sell these, make sure that your packaging is great and it passes the Amazon drop test. The drop test is when you grab your packaged product and you drop it from head high to the ground and it doesn't break, then you'll be good to go. Number 8 is electronics. So definitely do not sell anything with lithium-ion batteries, because they have a high chance of exploding. They also have a lot of shipping restrictions. and electronics have a high return rate because people can't figure out how they work sometimes. Even though you have a great electronic, people get it and they don't figure out how to work, and they leave a bad review and they return it. So I recommend to not get into electronics. And finally, number 9 on my do not sell list is FDA approved products. So pretty much anything that goes on people's mouths, on the baby's mouths, they have a lot of gating restrictions with Amazon and shipping restrictions into the country. Hello guys, thank you for watching. I have left some links down in the description to help you with your trademark and patent search. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and ring that bell to get notifications on my next videos. And if you would like to hear more about which products to sell on Amazon, please leave a comment below and say Amazon products. Also, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments and I'll make sure to get back to you. Again, thank you for watching.